Hello. Today we will make a simple pop-up system with question and two buttons to answer yes or no. So to demonstrate it, it will look like this. When I click a sell, I'll have a question if I want to sell this car for 5050, yes or no. If I click no, it will just cancel it. If I click yes, it will sell the car. So let's get to it. I got a UI panel with text, price and two buttons. Let's create a script called sell car pop-up system. We'll create a singleton variable current and three variables. Two will be for button yes and no, and one will be for text field price. Then we will create a singleton reference to this script and set object as hidden by default. I will now create the method called show. It will accept three parameters: price, callback for yes and callback for no button. As a next thing, I will create a method called add callbacks. It will accept two parameters: callback for yes and callback for no. This method will remove all of the listeners from buttons, and then it will add a new listeners which will actually call the callback yes and callback no. Back in show method, we will call add callbacks method, change the text field and activate the pop-up window. When everything is ready, I will call the show method from my sell button. Let's assign button yes, button no and text field to our singleton script. And we are finished. Let's test it. If you got any questions, feel free to ask in comments.